Are you looking for the best router tables in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best router tables that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Trend CRT divided by MK3 Craft Pro Router Table. US tool brand Trend have been making router tables and the like since 1955. Their CRT divided by MK3 Pro router table is a stripped-down, solid bit of kit that should make light work of all table routing tasks. The kit comes ready to assemble, with a rigid frame that bolts together and a sturdy laminated MDF tabletop. The rubber feet are adjustable for uneven surfaces, and you can lock them down with foot brackets for an incredibly stable base. They've included a separate power switch for added safety as well. The plate that receives the router itself is made from thick aluminum, and it's perforated with different holes to fit various router types. But if it doesn't fit yours, you can drill it yourself quite easily. Trend have a handy compatibility list on their website if you want to check. The fence is solid and has 2 MDF cheeks that slide to fit different size workpieces. They've included a side pressure plate and push stick as well for added safety. It's one of the best table routers around. I just wish the tabletop were a little larger. Up next in the 4th place is the Trend WRT Workshop Router Table. Another entry from the router experts at Trend is the bigger brother to the excellent CRT divided by MK3. The Trend WRT Workshop Router Table is a big machine. It's capable of working with the biggest bits of timber that you have, and it stands up on its own 4 feet as well. With all their experience, Trend know what makes the best router table for professionals as well as keen DIYers. The WRT is a freestanding table that comes as a flat pack when delivered, but once it's up it's really solid. The adjustable feet are a bonus if you've got an uneven or sloping floor. The large insert plate comes ready drilled to receive most Trend routers, but if you're confident enough you can drill holes to receive any router you like. The included feather boards help to keep the stock pressed up against the fence, and you get a push stick to help keep your fingers out of the way. This is an ideal router table if you've got a little bit more space in your workshop and you need to accommodate larger pieces of timber. The micro height adjustment feature is probably one of my favorites on any table, and the separate on/off switch is an essential bit of safety gear. It's a fantastic and solid piece of routing gear that will help you unlock the potential of your plunge router. The 3rd product on our list is the Lumberjack Tools RT1500 Benchtop Router Table. West Midlands-based Lumberjack Tools specialize in woodworking equipment and have made one of the best benchtop routers that I've tried out, rather than making a simple stand to attach your own router to. This is a full kit that includes a powerful 15-watt router already set up and ready to work. The first thing you'll notice about the RT1500 is the size of the box. This isn't a flat pack set you have to put together, as most of the assembly has been done for you. You get a beefy pressed steel work table and chunky ABS plastic legs that feel like they'll last forever. The fence is steel as well, which adds extra strength and rigidity where you need it the most. What makes this one of the best table routers in my eyes is the depth adjustment wheel. It's accurate and easy to raise and lower the router bit, an operation that can be a pain with a regular router turned upside down on another router table. There are 3 feather boards, 2 collets, a handy clear plastic dust extractor cover, and even a handy miter gauge that slides in its own trench for accurate angle work. They've even built in a series of holes in the body of the table to store 1/4 and 1/2 bits. Second on our list is the Excel Router Table with 35-piece half-shank router bit set. With a huge range of tools and gardening kit in their arsenal, Excel are a brand to watch out for. If you're looking for a table with everything included, then their router table with 35-piece bit set is brilliant. You can raise and lower the cutting head with a big wheel, and the dust collection is effective. For a hobbyist, or even for light commercial work, this is a solid choice of table. Unlike some of the budget router tables on my list, this one comes with a 1500-watt router already installed, controlled by a safety switch and speed selector wheel on the front. There's even a big stop button in case of emergency. The motor can spin bits up to an impressive 28 revolutions per minute. The plus point of this router table is the cast aluminum bed. It's nicely flat, and combined with the feather boards on the table and rear fence, should hold the workpiece down securely. The overall dimensions of 597 x 457 x 355 mm are modest, which makes it the ideal addition to a small workshop. And as if this wasn't enough, Excel have included a set of 35 bits to get you started. There's everything from straight bits and V-groove bits to dovetails and fancy Roman OG bits for molding. This router table comes with everything you could possibly need to get started. Finally, the top product on our list is the Kreg PRS2100 router table. Famous for inventing the infamous pocket hole jig, Kreg have been making innovative woodworking tools since 1989. I tried out their PRS2100 precision benchtop router table, and I rate it for its simplicity and excellent sliding fence. The base is made from steel, and its rubber feet go a long way to reduce vibration and stop the table from sliding around during use. On top of the stand is a quality laminated MDF work table that's designed to absorb vibration and allow workpieces to slide across the surface easily. What makes this one of the best router tables around though is the table saw style fence. Experienced woodworkers will be familiar with the T-square style sliding aluminum fence that can be locked off with 4 screws to quickly adjust on the fly. It's a clever system that makes table routing a breeze. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.